Hi, we're in Nashville, Tennessee at EMS World. This is part 2 of our video series. We are listening to Elaine Brunel, President and CEO of Demers Ambulances, Braun Industries, and Crestline Coach, as well as Kim Braun, President of Braun Industries, and Steve Hofragi, President of Crestline Coach. They continue their discussion regarding how their customers and dealers are reacting to this new combination. 3 great brands, 1 great future. Come take the journey with us.
Yeah, so sensitive on the family focus, the culture. Without that alignment, I don't think the 3 of us would be sitting at the table together, right? So we all had to check that box to start with to be able to get into the next phases of conversation. So protecting those family values is pretty important for all 3 of our locations, and quite frankly, not just for our leadership, but for our employee base that finds that to be an exceptional part of the employment that they have with our different brands.
I think as Elaine and I started our conversations about joining the organization, there's a lot of boxes, as Kim alluded for, that you have to check off. The reality is we are so similar in terms of our focus on innovation, our focus on safety, but above all, putting our people at the forefront of everything that we do and ensuring that they're in a right environment to allow them to propagate the brand, whether you're somebody off the manufacturing floor or you're somebody within engineering that's driving the next innovation.
One of the key factors, one of the thing we want to check up front was focus on safety. If you look at the market in North America, there's only a few companies that safety is very important, and out of those companies, Crestline, Demers, and Braun are the one that focus the most on safety. So we look at it when we start that path. We look at that. Will we put our family in those ambulances? If the answer is yes, we said, okay, this is what we want to go with. This is how we want to put those companies together. So safety is very, very important for all of us, and you'll see it in the product that we deliver.
Sure. When Elaine and I had a chance to meet with customers across Canada as we announced the combination of the companies, one of the most compelling and well-received aspects of our joining forces together was the commitment we made about becoming more proximate to our customer, specifically as it relates to their service needs, and enhancing our profile and our presence and our ability to ensure that their vehicles not only are on the road, but ensuring that from a maintenance perspective that we're ahead of the curve, eliminating issues before they happen, and being very responsive. And truly one of the benefits of the combined scale of the organizations, and something that we are working diligently on in the initial phases of integration to position ourselves to deliver on that promise that we made.
So when we did the acquisition, when we announced the acquisition, we toured Canada and we discussed, we did a lot of conference call with the customer, and we told them the thesis is really going back to what we said before. We're going to bring more innovation to the market faster and having a better customer service. 2 weeks, 8 weeks in the process, we received comment from customer that they appreciate that. They want to see those innovations. The main comment we hear is that's going to change their job in the better way. Better service, faster, no vehicle down, and make sure we bring more innovation to help the paramedic and saving life.
Yeah, so what's really cool that we're hearing is complementary of all 3 of the brands, the family focus, and that isn't lost. That is going to be expanded on. All 3 brands, I think it's pretty cool. We all have active leaders from the founding families still involved in the businesses, still believe strongly in where we're going, how we're doing it, and the relationships that we build with customers. So building on that family focus and taking it to the whole next level.
The very good reaction from the dealer base. They understand why we're doing that. They understand the benefit of having the 3 brand name, becoming a one company, and now we have better lineup of product with the 3 brand. We're covering the whole market, and so we are telling them that it's going to be 3 different brands, 3 different DNA. However, it's going to be one company, and we are working on a project for order entry.
Big, yeah, CPQ is going to be big. So one investment, but can serve dealers for 3 different brands, easy to do business with. We want the sales reps in the field serving the customer, not working hard behind the computer trying to do the paperwork. So this is going to be great. It's going to be easy. It's really going to be an efficient service for the dealers as a whole. And they're constantly looking for, they have customers of varying types and varying needs. So an additional product lineup is going to be an exceptional add to the portfolio.